What is OStaff? Simplifying the complexities of your business needs with AI services. Automate your organization's administrative and recruitment process. Redefine the way you manage your resources with an intricately built AI-powered next-gen tool. Know more about OStaff. OStaff is a personalized and fully scalable top HRMS software portal developed to provide relevant and cost-effective HR solutions. It aims to change the HR department's working dynamics in all shapes and sizes of industries to leverage efficiency and effectiveness. OStaff is the best human resource management information system that provides the feasibility of a single platform. It is a web-based HR management system with a range of functions that maintain all the employee-related information in the organization. With OStaff, you can manage every employee profile, leave tracking, reporting, and analysis, tracking employee performance. Integration with payroll, employee benefits administration, training required or provided to the employee, and personal information as needed. OStaff includes personal greetings like birthdays, marriage anniversaries, work anniversaries, employee onboarding, promotions, and appraisals, which lets you establish a fantastic connection with your employees. Better HRMS, better workforce. As your organization grows, the necessities of its employees will grow with it. Manual procedures typically used in modest organizations don't scale very well as the employee strength develops. It prompts inefficiencies in the framework that can have adverse effects on the functioning of your business. OStaff is a modern, new-age, enterprise-ready HRMS suite that empowers enterprises to automate their day-to-day HR processes. It improves and simplifies human interactions, delivers significant insights to build better working environments, and accomplishes essential HR goals quickly and effectively. Outfit your business with our incredible HRMS tool to accomplish peaking levels of individual performance. OStaff HR management software aligns human capital with organization goals. Directly from acquiring the expertise in managing end-to-end HR operations. OStaff is the payroll management system that empowers your business to harness the power of human energy. Reinvent your business with the best human resource management system. Key features of OStaff. OStaff introduces a new way of automating management by bringing a new edge to managing your resources. Know about the multiple features that our AI-enabled HRMS tool, OStaff, comes with. Time and attendance management. Recruiting and hiring. Leave management. Payroll management. Employee onboarding. S&MSS.